everyone, my name is Chloe Wardrick and I'm the Polycultural Weekend Chair for NSBE, and today we're going to be making some vegan soul food. Today we'll be making 4 different items for our vegan soul food meal. First, we're going to be having some Nashville Hot Chicken with cauliflower. Then we're going to be taking some kale and making some yummy greens, some black-eyed peas and making some yummy beans, cornbread, and last but not least, a vegan mac and cheese.
Alrighty, so here's a preview of things that you'll need throughout this cooking tutorial. You'll need a blender, a couple pots and pans, some cornmeal, some cooking spray, oil to fry the cauliflower, and also a greased pan for your cornbread. Now in goes the cornbread into your preheated oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Alrighty y'all, we're gonna get into the mac and cheese of it all. Here we have some pre-boiled cashews, potatoes, and carrots. We're gonna put all of this into the blender with some plant-based milk and some baking powder, brown sugar, cayenne, and chili powder, and a few other spices in there. Also, we're gonna add in some vegetable broth just so that this stays pretty creamy, but we still want it to be a thick sauce. And then we're going to add in some nutritional yeast. This is going to add some flavor to it. You're going to definitely taste the cheesiness of mac and cheese after you add this in. Then we're going to blend again. Cauliflower time. So here we have our cauliflower florets, our plant-based milk with your favorite hot sauce in it, and also for the batter we have flour, cornstarch, and also some baking powder. Then we're gonna get to frying it. Thank y'all for watching, and make sure to check out the National Society of Black Engineers on Instagram, Facebook, and on our website.